We'll go out for pineapple, my little bubbly-headed bubbly-boo.
Skipper, look.
Analysis.
It looks like a small incandescent bulb, designed to indicate something out of the ordinary, like a malfunction.
I find it pretty and somewhat hypnotic.
That too, sir.
Right. Rico. Manual.
Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost engine 1. And engine 2 is no longer on fire.
Buckle up, boys.
Don't look, doll. This might get hairy. Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. The bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. Thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
What's the fuel gauge say?
It's fine. It's on E for engorged with pickles.
When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. Thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
Okay, let's just win!
I love you, Gloria. I always have. Like you love the beach or a good book.
My goodness, dog, you're like a leaf. Rico, you had your fun. Pull up. Smooch like you're kissing your sister. Kiss her. Now just a little break. Just a tap. A little whisper. That's technique. My goodness, dog, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you had your fun. Pull up. You're down. Gently now, you just a little peck. You smooch like you're kissing your sister. I said kiss her. Just a little break. Just a tap. I believe that's
Gyroscopic system, red light,
My goodness, dog, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you had your fun. Pull up. Gently now, you just want to kiss her. A little peck. You smooch. You kiss your sister. I said kiss her. Now just a little break. Just a tap. A little whisper. I believe that's technique.
I'm really glad you came with me.
Me too.
Oh, we're here. What in the world?
This is all your fault. Anybody with a brain knows E stands for... help yourself to some gas!